Good morning, my name is Vaishnavi and I'm speaking from Fenesta Building Systems. How may I assist you?
Fenesta, India's #1 windows and doors brand, is a part of the DCM Shriram Group, established in 1889 with a turnover of over $1.2 billion. Fenesta is the only company in India manufacturing its own UPVC blend-in profiles. The raw material, PVC resins, are sourced in-house from the DCM Shriram facility in Kota. Fenesta controls every subsequent process right from the PVC blending to extrusion to fabrication and to post-sales service. Till date, Fenesta has successfully installed more than 2.5 million windows and doors across 300 cities. Fenesta windows and doors are the perfect blend of art and science, and crafted with precision, keeping into consideration the environmental factors like architecture, rainfall intensity and wind speeds. Fenesta ensures a 365 days centralized and fully automated customer support center for a smooth and hassle-free customer service. Fenesta has world-class infrastructure to control the entire supply chain of window manufacturing, installation and after-sales service. Fenesta is a popular choice among the architects, interior designers, contractors and builders. Extraordinary designs and impeccable styles set Fenesta apart and make it the most preferred brand amongst India's renowned developers like DLF, Mahagun, Appaswamy and Prestige. More than 100 hotels such as La Meridian, Leela Palace, The Lalit, Ashoka, Lemon Tree and several leading hospitals including Wockhardt, Leelavati, Hinduja and Gangaram have installed Fenesta windows. Fenesta is also the preferred choice of educational institutes across the country and have installed its windows in premium institutes like the IITs and IIMs. Fenesta ensures smooth functioning right from the project initiation to installation to after-sales services through its own systematic approach in managing projects known as the Fenesta's Project Management System. Now let us see the different stages of the Fenesta's Project Management System. First, Fenesta performs a site visit basis the drawings and specifications received from the developer or architect. This stage gives clear understanding in terms of the right design preparation and project execution methodologies. Fenesta takes note of the following at this stage. First, understanding climate conditions, because a hot and dry climate like Rajasthan will have low humidity and wind speed as compared to coastal region like Mumbai. Second, understanding wind load in the building, because high-rise building will experience higher wind speeds and therefore higher wind load than a villa. In the second stage, Fenesta performs an integrated value enhancement process, which is called the Fenesta Value Engineering process. The objective of this process is to meet optimum quality within stipulated cost and time. It also defines what works best in terms of fitment according to the application and geographic condition. High-rise installation and orientation in terms of getting the right product is also included in this stage. In the third stage, all gathered information from the survey and value engineering exercise is entered in Fenesta's very own customized window maker application for a more precise and accurate calculation of the product matrix, after which the quote is raised and the order is logged in. The fourth stage focuses on implementing in-depth survey of site and taking measurements. Fenesta ensures for measuring each and every aperture, which means if there are 20,000 windows to be installed, the surveyor measures all 20,000 apertures, a very thorough process. The fifth stage covers the kick-off meeting. In this stage, a quick meeting between the project in charge and the Fenesta team takes place. The objective here is to revisit all terms related to order, installation, timelines, orientations, priorities, safety norms and accountabilities of each on either side, so that everyone is informed and there is no hurdle in the operations. The sixth stage is where the window manufacturing starts. The manufacturing process is supported through window maker software, which is fully automated as the software helps in ascertaining correct values like wind load information. Here, Every phase of the production and operation is automated with no room for error. The seventh stage is installation stage. Known for its safe and high expertise on the installation front, the Fenesta team performs the task meticulously, leaving no room for error. For high-rise buildings, windows and doors are lifted through monkey hoists, thanks to the robust training process through which every service engineer has to pass through, that neither safety of men nor of windows is compromised. Fenesta also makes sure that auditing of installation process happens during as well as post-installation. The auditor carefully checks each window for installation and alignment accuracy and never hesitates to prompt for reinstallation if needed. When everything is done and the desired result is achieved, the eighth stage is the handover. Fenesta ensures absolute compliance as per set guidelines while ensuring the handover. The journey does not end here. The final and equally important stage, the ninth stage, is the feedback stage. The customer support officer connects with the project owner or the project in charge to take note of the overall experience. Fenesta vows for 24/7, 365 days customer support for any feedback or service-related conversation. Fenesta adheres to strict timelines. All the above stages have a meticulous back-end planning which is done right after the order is processed. It is called just in time.
I am Trilochan Singh, the director of the Basha Group, which is a construction company, and we are into this business from the last 23 years. I already know the concept of the UPVC windows. Then my team started searching for the best UPVC windows companies in India. Then we came to know about the Fenesta windows, and our team decided to finalize the Fenesta windows for our upcoming projects. With Fenesta, we have done more than 50 projects, and we have a great experience.
I am Ramesh Narayanan, General Manager of Prime Meridian Infrastructure in Cochin. We are one of the premium developers in Cochin who are into premium luxury villas and apartments in and around Cochin region. And Blue Waters is one of our premium projects in Cochin, which is a waterfront with water access. For Blue Waters project, we had lots of French windows and windows in this project, where we had lots of other options, and we checked with wood. Then we checked with the architect also recommended Fenesta. Then we discussed with Fenesta, and they had a different product within a wood finish, and it came in Wenge finish, which is matching our wooden flooring. And one of the main things is that they could do up to 2.7 meters height, which most of the other vendors could not do it. And we approached them, and they did a sample in our one of the villas, and we were extremely happy with the product. And they were using tough and glass, and they had a very good backup technical team, and they came and they were inspecting in all the times, and they are also giving after sales warranty up to 10 years, which is an attraction for us. And we were happy with Fenesta, and then we continued to the rest of the 15-16 villas, and again we continued the same order for our upcoming apartment, which is around 22-storied apartment, and we are continuing with Fenesta, and we are extremely happy with their services.
And while Fenesta continues to deliver the best every time, the accolades and accreditations and the support of their prestigious clients enable them to serve better every day. Fenesta can be reached 24/7, 365 days. Chat on WhatsApp at 74286-91568 or call on toll-free number at 1-800-1029-880. For a virtual walkthrough of the entire product range, scan the QR code or download the Fenesta app to explore the limitless possibilities of Fenesta products.
Thank you for calling Fenesta. Have a great day.